Let us take the next bit. So we have gone through no two vowels come together. First arrange consonants. No two consonants come together. First arrange vowels. Vowels and consonants comes alternately. Least number first. Least number first. Next, all vowels are not together. Total minus all vowels together. All consonants are not together. Total minus all consonants together. So try to remember these points. Okay, and vowels are in specified order. Vowels are specified order means total number factorial by number of vowels factorial. Similarly, all consonants are in specified order. That means total number factorial by number of consonants factorial. Try to remember that. Next, number of words. Okay, let us take rank of the word. Rank of the word variety. That means you know the bit how they will give. So all the letters, all the words that are formed with the letters of the word variety are arranged as in a dictionary order. Then find the rank of the word. Dictionary order. Dictionary order. I'm not writing total problem here. Dictionary order. Rank of the word variety. Rank of the word variety. V-A-R-I-E-T-Y. That means here we are completing the model of finding the ranks of the words. So in shortcut method, so first you have to arrange the letters in the alphabetical order. That means alphabetical order means A. So this is the alphabetical order. So first cancel V. Already you know the shortcut formula. Cancel V. So cancel V here. Before V, how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters. That means 5 into total number of letters is 6. So 6 factorial. This is the shortcut for finding the rank of the word variety. So first write the word variety. Write the alphabetical letters. Alphabetical order of the given letters. Alphabetical order of the given letters. A, E, I, R-T-Y. Now first cancel V. Before V, how many letters are there? 5 letters. And the remaining letters are 6 letters, 6 factorial plus. Now cancel A. Before A, how many letters are there? 0 into 5 factorial. Total number of letters remaining is 5. So that's why 5 factorial plus. Next letter is R. Cancel R. Before R, 2 letters are there. So 2 into total number of letters remaining is 4 factorial plus. Next letter is I. Cancel I. Before I, 1 letter is there. That's why 1 into 3 factorial. Next, cancel E. Before E, 0 letters are there. So 0 into 2 factorial. Next, cancel T. Before T, there is no letter. That's why 0 into 1 factorial. And whenever we are cancelling the last letter, we need to add 1. So this is the shortcut method for finding the rank of the word. Already you know. So 6 factorial is 720 into 5. That is nothing but 3600. Plus this is 0 only. 24 into 2, 48. And 1 into 6, 6. And this is 0 plus 1. So nothing but 1 plus 6, 7 plus 48, 55. 3655 is the rank of the word variety. But because total 5040 words we are forming, in this fourth 5040 words we have arranged them as in a dictionary order. The rank of the word variety is 3655. Next, one more last bit I am going to take. So go through all these models so that all the models will be covered in a single problem by arrangements of the letters of the given word. Arrangements of the letters of the given word. Now, one more bit. Number of words in which there will be exactly 2 letters. There will be exactly 2 letters between V and Y. So this is the another model. So exactly there will be exactly 2 letters between V and Y. So that means there will be only 2 letters between V and Y. That's why what I'm doing is I'm taking V and Y. Between V and Y, I'm taking 2 places. But because there will be 2 letters, exactly 2 letters between V and Y now, that is the given condition. That's why I'm taking V and Y and I'm considering 2 places between V and Y. Now, how many letters are remaining? 5 letters are remaining. Why? Because V, Y gone. So variety contains 7 letters. So 2 letters gone, V and Y. 5 letters are remaining. With 5 letters, these 2 places can be filled in how many ways? 5 P2 ways. 5 P2 ways. Now, consider these 4 letters as 1 unit. Now consider these 4 letters as 1 unit. But bundle them. Why? Because exactly there should be 2 letters between V and Y. That's why consider these 4 letters as 1 unit. So remaining how many letters? 3 letters. These 3 letters can be considered as 3 units. This total 4 units can be arranged in how many ways? 4 factorial ways. That's why 5p2 into 4 factorial. Once again, I'm repeating. First, V and Y, there should be exactly 2 letters. That's why take V and Y and consider 2 places between V and Y. These 2 places can be filled with remaining 5 letters in 5p2 ways. Still, the problem is not completed. So now consider these 4 letters, bundle them and consider them as 1 unit. And remaining 3 letters are remaining, those 3 letters are considered as 3 units. Total 4 units can be arranged in 4 factorial ways. And also, this V and Y can be interchanged. So that is V here, Y here. Otherwise, Y here, V here. That's why that can be done in again 2 factorial ways. V and Y in 2 places, they can be rearranged in 2 factorial ways also. That means the final answer is 5 into 4, 25p2 and 24 into 2, which is nothing but 960 words we can form in which exactly 2 letters between V and Y.